No Experience Side Hustles 2026. If you've been searching for the best no experience side hustles in 2026 and wondering how complete beginners are making money online without special skills, expensive equipment, or years of experience, this video is exactly for you. Because right now technology, AI tools, and social media are creating opportunities that simply did not exist a few years ago. And honestly, this is one of the easiest times in history for beginners to start online side hustles. You no longer need a degree, technical skills, websites, inventory, or huge startup capital to get started. Today, beginners are building online income streams using AI tools, faceless content, affiliate marketing, and automation systems directly from their phones and laptops. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how no experience side hustles work in 2026, how beginners are using short-form content and affiliate marketing together, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping people shortcut the learning curve. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to explain how AI tools are speeding up content creation, how beginners are posting consistently without burnout, and why this is one of the lowest barrier online opportunities available right now. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, faceless Reels library, automation systems, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now, because this channel is all about no experience side hustles, affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what exactly makes this one of the best no-experience side hustles in 2026? The answer is simplicity. Most traditional businesses require inventory, employees, customer support, shipping, websites, or technical knowledge. But the business model I'm talking about in this video combines AI-generated content, affiliate marketing, short-form social media, and automation systems. That means beginners can focus mainly on posting content and driving traffic. And honestly, that's why this opportunity is exploding right now. Now let's talk about how the process actually works. The process is simple. You create or post content. People watch your videos. Some viewers click your affiliate links, sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the affiliate offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions beginners have is thinking they need advanced skills before they can start. That's not true anymore. AI tools are removing many of the barriers that used to stop people from making money online. Today, AI can help generate video ideas, viral hooks, captions, scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and even faceless videos automatically. That means beginners can create content dramatically faster while staying consistent. And honestly, creators using AI tools right now have a huge advantage because they can produce more content without burning out. Now, one of the biggest problems beginners face is content creation. Most people don't know what to post, how to edit, how to create hooks, or how to stay consistent. That's why most beginners quit too early. But inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content almost immediately without creating every video from scratch. You can customize the content if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic right away. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons no experience side hustles are growing so fast in 2026. Now, if you want access to the same faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below, because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because attention is everything online. If your content does not hook people in the first few seconds, they scroll immediately. That's why creators spend so much time trying to come up with hooks and content ideas. But AI tools can now generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. That means beginners can create content dramatically faster without needing experience. Now let's talk about why short-form content works so well. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are heavily pushing short-form video content. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need millions of followers. You do not need to become some influencer personality. Even brand new pages can start generating traffic if they post consistently. That's why no experienced side hustles based on short-form content are becoming one of the biggest opportunities online in 2026. Now, another thing I really like about this business model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without constantly showing their face or personal identity online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can create motivation videos, AI clips, business edits, finance content, quote videos, tutorials, or viral style reels completely faceless. And some faceless pages are getting millions of views. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One video can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and affiliate commissions. And because AI speeds up content creation, scaling becomes much easier. Now let's talk about workflow because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few faceless reels, generate hooks or captions with AI, upload content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. And honestly, this is one of the lowest barrier side hustles available right now. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no websites, no coding, just content plus affiliate links. Now, another feature included inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually, people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand no experience side hustles better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to make money online in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about AI tools, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, faceless content, and beginner-friendly online business ideas. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online businesses, no experience side hustles combined with AI tools and affiliate marketing are one of the easiest entry points available in 2026. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every single day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now, learn as you go, improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about starting one of the best no-experience side hustles in 2026 and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, affiliate marketing strategies, faceless content methods, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.